Hey everyone, I'm going to go over the Hesi A2 exam. I took it at a vocational school. On my exam was grammar, vocab, reading comp, biology, and math. I did not have A&P, which is anatomy and physiology, and I did not have chemistry. I can actually go in and see my test results and see what I missed on each question. Now, what I'll go over is I failed the biology horrible. When I go in and I'm reviewing my test results, I can actually see each question and the topic it was on. So, let me see. Okay. So as you guys see, if you guys want to write this down, those were my 30 questions. Okay? Now, I can actually go in and see, if I go in on, here you go, I'll show you guys. You guys can actually see, there it goes, okay. Biology, grammar, math, reading comp, and vocab. Now if I hit view results, I can get a detailed report on what to study. So this is pretty awesome. So view results for my, this is, alright. View right down here. I can view materials, okay? So I can actually go over everything in here. So like, let's just say cell function. So it just goes over a quick review, okay? I'm going to find one. There's actually some that say Hesi A2 hints. So let me go in, let me check. Sorry, I wasn't prepared for this. Okay. Let me see. Come on. Okay. I'll look for it while I show you guys something else. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys one of the questions I remember is on this. Okay? Now it's going to ask you what is the most inclusive, okay, in order. So here it is. The largest and most inclusive category is your kingdom, and so forth. Species is the most restricted category, and you guys definitely will need to know this. That is definitely on the test. What else is on the test is, I know there are questions about the bright field microscope. I had 2 questions. Now, one of the questions was which layer was one of the pieces on the microscope. Okay? Also, what was on it was the Golgi Paris. What's inside the cell, the processing and shipping organelle, which transports proteins from the ER throughout the cell. Okay? You're also going to need to know about meiosis and mitosis. Mitosis. Let's go over. Replicates somatic or body cells. Okay? there will be a few questions on this. Okay? I remember that. Okay. So I forgot about that thing. Alright, so let me go through. I actually printed out. Okay. That's my English. So we'll go over that in a minute. English. Okay. Okay. So I printed this out from the assessment, the biology part. And see at the bottom, it says Hesi hint. Why won't this focus? Okay. The flexions of the ECG do not represent. Go ahead and read it. You guys will need to know that. You will. Okay? You'll need to know about the smooth ER and rough ER. Okay, what else? Let's see. Okay, come on. You guys will need to know. Here's another one. About this. Another Hesi hint. Okay? Just know it. I did print out stuff about the microscope. Okay, here was that, what I was talking about before. Okay, know that. You will also need to know I showed you guys that. I'm just a disaster today. About the principle of cytoplasmic organelles. Okay, which is mitochondria, rhinestone. I can't talk. Endoplasmic rectum, the Golgi appareus, and lysosomes, if that's how you say it. I'm not really sure. Okay, you'll need to know the function of the cytoskeleton, and it is to maintain cell shape and to enable the cell to adapt to external mechanical pressure. Filaments are also important for cell movement and the traffic of organelles in the cytoplasm. Microtubes also form the mitotic spindle during cell division. Okay? You guys will need to know about the cellular membrane. So basically I showed you guys what you guys need to know for the biology part. Now let's go back. And if you guys want the study from the actual test, I will send it to you guys. Because obviously you see I'm not that good at explaining it. I'm just trying to help you guys out. Now let's go to the grammar. Okay, so let's view my results. I don't think this one had a results report. No, it didn't. It just told me my score. But I could view the materials that I got wrong. So, if I go in here, okay, so I can review them. Okay, so you'll need to know like the common stuff for grammar. Sorry about that. Okay, so on my next video I'm going to show you guys the grammar part. Subscribe if you like. Thank you.